Hello some viewers, how are you all? Welcome back to another video. Guys, in this video we are going to discuss about John the Ripper. What is John the Ripper? It's highly popular, free, open source, offline password tracking tool. I'll take a snipping tool. I'll just take the screenshot and I'll save this, save as. So now let me put right click and let me put add to archive, right? In archive I'm putting zip. I'm setting a password. Let us put password 23678. Okay. If I show the password 23678, okay, here 23678. So click on OK, click on OK. Now zip file is created. Okay. Now what I'll do here, I'll just copy paste it here. Now I'll go to desktop, cd desktop. It's already in the desktop, right? So I have to use few commands actually. See here. So if I try to open this zip file and PNG is there, if I try to open, the password is okay. Click on OK, click on cancel. So click on close here. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll just put sudo zip2.john test.zip. If I click on enter, it will give the encrypted password. Okay. What I have to do, I have to save this encrypted password in the pass.txt. I click on enter, so pass.txt added. Now what I will do, as soon as the pass.txt added, now I'll try to decrypt it. How do I decrypt it, guys? I'll put sudo john format equal to zip and pass.txt. Click on enter. So now it will try to find the password. It might take time also. Okay, you have to be patient, guys, but it will find the password. All right, it identified the password. See 23678. Okay, so let me click it. This one 23678. Double click it 23678. Click on OK. See, we are able to open it. Hope you like the video, guys. If you like the video, please click on like. If you're a new viewer, please click on subscribe. Till then, guys, take care. Have a great day. Bye bye.